Okay, time to get my day started. I have switched over the laundry and I am unloading the dishwasher, and then I am making myself a beverage before we get the day started. I switched day 6 and day 7 of our 12 Days of Christmas movies. So we are doing the Princess Switch, I think it's called. And this is day 7, even though we're doing it on day 6. So we are doing an all-day baking day. So I decided to wrap up several of the recipes that we're going to use for the day, as well as this really cool little like spatula thing I found when we were out doing our Black Friday Christmas shopping. I think I got this from, I forget the name of this, Home Goods. First time we went to Home Goods, I found this. I thought it was really cute and it went really perfect with today's theme. I am sitting down to do my Jesus journaling before we get started, and then we are making all of the things. So it is time to get baking. We have all of the ingredients out. We are going to bake each item and then take a break and do the cleaning in between. Glory is not a fan of having to clean in between each thing. However, I think this is going to make the overall cleanup process much more smooth. I'm not a huge fan of baking. I hate the cleanup process. It's really the biggest thing. So I think this is going to help me enjoy the day a lot more and keep my anxiety down. But yeah, so I think overall cleaning in between will be a good thing. And then I did think of another gift that goes really well with today. So I went ahead and let her open her personalized puzzle. I'm going to go upstairs and wash my hair. So she is going to take a break. She can start putting this together if she wants to. It is a hair washing day, so we got that out of the way. And now we are headed back down to, I think we have 2 more things to cook, bake, whatever. So far, we have our Rice Krispie treats done. Glory decided to make some Rice Krispie treat nests as well. And then we have our Nutella thumbprints. She really likes these. And we have our sugar cookie peppermint bars. These by far are my favorite so far. We did finish the peppermint bark and we have some leftover chocolate. So while the peppermint bark is cooling, Glory is gonna make some chocolate covered pretzels. All right, what did we run out of?
Sugar.
Sugar. So where are we going?
Dollar General.
And what are you wearing?
PJs.
I'm letting her go in her PJs, y'all. It is basically a dress. So we are, it's right down the street. It is what it is. She's gonna put her coat on and we're going in PJs. I didn't get pictures of the peppermint bark or the no-bake cookies or the fudge, but we did finish doing all the baking. Now we're setting up for tutoring. I'm doing some reading comprehension with my 2nd grader as well as a sequencing craft tonight. And then I think we're gonna call it a night. It's been a long day. We're gonna go ahead and turn in.